Alright guys, it's Rob, HNRA42, putting in a trench for a customer. Just sold him this 1,000-gallon tank. And putting in this trench, and man, it is rock heaven. Big rocks, like these type of rocks. Those are 4 or 5 feet wide across. The amount of rock that I've hit is insane. Now I'm out of the rock. Well, I lied, I'm not out of the rock. I'm not even close to out of the rock. But what I'm working with right now is almost worse than rock. It is clay. And when I say clay, I mean straight up clay. Thought about digging a bunch of this up and taking it to my nieces. They could use it for molding clay. I mean, this stuff is insane. Just straight clay. Didn't know if a lot of you guys, we have this a lot in Kentucky. It's terrible for people that work like I do. Stuff sucks. So anyway, just wanted to show that to you. Thought it was interesting. Oh yeah, so I'm using my trencher. It's a 12-inch trencher. And look here. The customer has this parked in my way, and they don't want to dig a ditch for me. Isn't that ridiculous? I mean, like, you're talking 30 minutes where it's going to take me 5 hours. Some people. Anyway, we'll see you around, fellas and sisters.